So, second time I'm doing this, because last time I didn't have any sound, so I'm doing this again. But I want to do different character. I'll make a new character. I think I might do them right. Should I do all this? Or you can go off. Let's think at it. One round of all you can go off. I forget what you have to do. No. As fast as I can. I'm drowning myself in lettuce. Ring ding 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 ring ding. Oh, it's on. Oh, it's on. Oh my god. Hey. Finish this. Last one. Multi-combo! Eat. No! I'm not giving me... Oh, so close. No, man. Okay, you said one round, so doing one round. Well, at least I tried. Okay? I tried. So close. GG to the soldier. So, some of my friends came back from their vacation. And now I this guy. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble. Wobble, 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 wobble. And I have him over at my computer because he's still new. Dusty, what are you doing? My cat. Oh, from under the... What? Oh, wow. It's that guy. X. I go. Woo! Aiming. Watch how good I am at aiming. Okay, I admit, I really suck at aiming. Yeah. Oh, that was painful. Oh, none of those were lethal blows. Ooh. That's a lot of shots in the crotch. Oh, sorry. At least we can't move. Can't move no more. Okay. Yeah, so last time I didn't have any sound. Kind of sucked. So my dad actually made it so I put my headphones there and it did so it actually plays sound because I'm doing this on my mom's phone. So can't really hear it, so I have my headphones really right next to my headphones are like literally right next to the phone actually. So that's why you can hear audio. And I just uploaded like a tutorial. I just uploaded like a tutorial on how to make. I guess it would be a lava path. That's the title of it, lava path. Minecraft tutorial lava path. So I just posted that, and and it was laggy as heck. I said, very, very laggy. I was breaking like 2 blocks in places, 2 blocks when I only wanted to break 1 place on. Oh, I hate lag. What about you? I doubt I'm the only one who hates lag. If I was, that would actually be kind of weird. Because actually, who doesn't like lag? Just saying. Because, you know, it always like messing with people up. Because it always like, it always makes me ticked off. I don't know about you guys, but it makes me ticked off. Yeah, -1 strength. That sword is nothing. That sword just cannot stand on my level. That sword's just not on my level. I'm just saying. So if you can hear the washing machine going, it's because my dad is washing the laundry. So I'm on a different character this time because of this. Also, stop touching that. He's dead already. Oh, I love this combo. I always love the roll. The roll is like just really annoying for the enemies. I just missed. I like how a sack of gold only gives you 5, but like a metal, like not metal, but what do you call it? A gem gives you 15. I mean, who knows? That little sack could be full of gems. It's just way too lazy to open it. Oh, did I miss the one big boss guy down in the background? Did I do that? I've never actually missed the big boss guy, but he's running around in the background. He'll come later. Like after I kill this guy. So he come now. This is the most time I think that I'm tired of